As you know, Blackmagic Design company just released officially the DaVinci Resolve 15s, and you can free download it on the website here. Be sure that you're going to be downloaded from the official website. I've been using the free version of it, so it's quite similar that to a lot of computers or a lot of users using the free version of it. It's really simple. You just click on it, register your name, and you have it on your computer, as I have here. The question is that how can I apply my color grading from one videos to other videos that I have in my timeline, and especially when you're working with the quite big timeline like this one, you may face a problem or you have to spend a lot of time to having the grading from one clip to other clip, and yeah, it's really hard that you hold the exact measure of your grading or the numbers that you're using for grading to the other videos. So yeah, we're going back to our question, how can I apply my color grading from one videos to other videos? If you're using the Apple product, especially Apple mouse, you may don't have a middle click, so it's not going to be working in your case, and I faced the same problem. So simply you just clicking on the video that you want to apply color on it, then you cross your mouse to the video clip that is the same shot or have the same position. Right click on your video and choosing the apply grade. Boom, you have it here. Yeah, working so simple. If you want to have it on the multi-clip, you just select it with this highlights red things around your video clip, and then just cross your mouse on the video that you're gonna be using as a source. Same way, right click, apply grade. Boom, you have it here. So simple. Yeah. Then again, I have these two videos in the middle, so, and the source is here, so I click on my source, select it with this highlight red things, cross my mouse on the screen on the source video, right click, apply grade. Awesome. So I don't have to use a couple times to make my grading. It's really fast and simple, and I hope you enjoy this one. Be sure that you're gonna be subscribed on my YouTube channel. I'm coming back soon with a lot of simple things under 5 minutes, and yeah, have a good day.